Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you the end result of how I got this color, also how I got this wig to have this much volume back, because baby let me tell you, this wig was not right at all. It was not like this. It was matted. It was a hot shitty mess. So watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today I am going to show you how to restore your old wig. So this wig actually isn't that old, however I have done some bleaching to it. I haven't worn it in quite a few months, so yeah, just look at it. It's like super tangled. You see, it's just, oh my god, it's horrible. So what I'm gonna do is give it a protein treatment. I'm probably gonna use this one, and I'm going to use my BW2, and I'm going to add a few more highlights to this wig because I want a few like blonde, super blonde. On camera it's looking a little bit blonder than what it actually is. So yeah, first thing first, I'm going to drop my wig head. First thing first, I am going to comb this baby out, and we're going to start the protein treatment. And for my protein treatment, I am going to use my silicone mix. So this is supposed to revive dry hair. It's a hair treatment, and yeah, it has the instructions on here. Before I do that, I'm gonna go in with the silicone mix shampoo. I've never actually used this shampoo before. I just saw it beside the mix when I was picking it up, so I decided to give it a try. So keep watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I am going to do the highlights off camera just because I want to speed this process up to show you what I really want to focus this video on, which was the silicone mixed protein treatment to fix damaged hair. So I'm going to add a few highlights, and then we're going to get to it. Sit back, relax, and watch the video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to tell you every time I get a chance, because why not? Welcome to the family. Join your girl. Let's grow together. So yeah, keep watching, and we're going to get right into the video. So this has been in there for about 10-15 minutes. So since it's been there for 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out, y'all, and y'all gonna get to see with me if it really works. And I heard you can just brush your hair once you while you rinsing this out. However, what I'm gonna do is pour the water out, and I'm gonna put more of this on while I comb through it, and we're gonna see if that way changes anything. So let's see. God, her hair is so soft now, oh my god. But it's so hot. So hot. Sheesh. let's get into it, even though it's a little dirty. So yeah, I'm going to go blow dry this wig, and then I'll show you the ending of it in the next clip. Blow dried it. I tried to curl it, but I don't know how to do hair like that. I think I did a little good. I did a little something, you know. Because what lace, baby? Where's the lace? I'm trying to find it. Do you see? Do you see the lace? I don't see the lace. I don't see the lace. Okay. I don't see the lace. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. And let's try to get this video to 100 likes. I don't think that's bad. Okay, I don't think that's bad. 100 likes shouldn't be that hard to get, so we're gonna come on, put some little into it, and don't forget to subscribe and comment. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.